Deborah. Oops, I gotta change directions. Hold on.
One way or another. Either through power canals, locks, rapid dam gates. You couldn't tell by the big dam sign right there. The compensating gates, there's 16. 8 are controlled by the U.S., 8 are controlled by Canada, and
I know you guys are coming from all over. I heard Southern California. I love this area because it is the largest surface freshwater in the world, and we're seeing countries go to the world. We've got Lake Superior sitting 600 feet above sea level, and there's enough water in Lake Superior to cover continents nationwide.
Yeah, so we can only pull 1% out of the water. We can only pull 1% of water out of the Great Lakes and expect it to recharge the next year. If we pull 2% out, we'll be at
Shoot.
Laid back, more like a park. They do tours of the offices where the lockmaster stayed. They had like a blacksmith shop. They had all this stuff. And then this island over here is owned not by Parks Canada, but by Batchewana First Nation. So they refer to tribal organizations on the Canadian side as First Nations. And then I was telling Angela, you see these wood floats that are off to the side. I brought a group over here a couple of years ago, and I was doing, hey, welcome to Canada, everybody. And a beaver actually stood up on its hind legs. And,
Is that like way cool or what?
and somebody in the group was like, well, you can't get more Canadian than that.
Yeah, pretty much.
And I corrected them and said, as a matter of fact, you can, because I think it was 2 years ago or 3 years ago. approach. And then there's a double red light above that. We wait for a green light and we're good to go. And I think I heard Jack explaining that we're all going to stay to the left-hand side when we go in there. I'm going to tie off, he's going to tie off, and then just 4 of you on the side of each of us. Just stack on the outside, grab our deck lines, put your paddle up, and then relax for the...
Shoot.
To get lowered down in the... So it's pretty loosely run. We don't have to tie off too much. We just wrap the rope around the cable. No.
Has anyone been on the Super Shot at the fair? Or the Tower of Terror at Orlando? It's the opposite of that, don't worry.
It's slow. It takes... we get lowered in under 10 minutes.
It's not super fast, but it is.
Here's some current.
It's Oh, really?
So once we get down to that level,
They don't use water from the ocean?
No.
Oh, I guess because it's a hill. Right, so they have to... So they're filling all of the upper locks with lake water? Huh. I guess I never really thought about that either. That's too bad. I wonder if they're gonna... Well, eventually they're gonna have to come up with some kind of pump system to get it up.
Talking about what?
Really? Wow.
They just added new parallel canal
Huh.
for larger ship handling.
Oh, wow. I had no idea.
We went through the Suez before they opened up the other channel.
Oh.
And that was interesting because we had to be at a certain latitude by a certain time to get in line. Because it was only one lane, so they had to wait till the ships came through the other way and then they were able to go through.
Oh, there's not two-way traffic.
Now there is.
Okay.
There was not when we did it.
Huh.
And then when we went through, there were towers with guys with guns.
Wow. Oh.
They had their portable bridges so they could get their
Yeah, they had these.
the bank.
Yep.
Holy cow.
We had on that cruise, it was from Dubai to Istanbul, and we had pirate girls. And we had, English, British,